Guangdong E-Good Partition Products Company Limited, located in Foshan, China, is a professional manufacturer engaged in development, sales, production, and after-sales service of movable partition wall and glass partition system. The products are extensively applied to hotel meeting room, restaurant, banquet hall, convention, which providing convenient and effective space management solution. Highest panel can be up to 20 meters. Max sound insulation can up to 56 decibels. We own 2 modern production bases which occupies 10,000 square meters, equipped with all advanced production machines and high-efficiency operation tools. We research all products independently, with all of its intellectual property and manufacturing technology. We have been certified SGS Product Certification, ASTM Acoustical Test, Fire Test, and ISO 9001 Quality System Certification. After years' development, we have developed 3 popular brands, E-Good and AE and Lishui. Among of them, the Germany AE brand has met the same quality level as international brand line, with satisfactory service and product. We have exported over 100 countries, among which 180 5-star hotels completed, and enjoyed good reputation in the past years. Diligent creative space is our business philosophy. We aim to offer the excellent customized products and service to satisfy every single customer. We looking forward to have win-win cooperation with you soon.